All right, we're back with another one. This is a nice, I'll say, too many Marias on the show today. But today we got the Venuto sisters here with us. How you doing, fellas?
Welcome, guys.
Hello.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you guys for coming and joining us.
We love it. Italian Sicilians do it better.
Yes, we
We
do.
knew you from back in the day, DNA.
All right. How those great memory days, right?
Fist pumping days.
That's when I was able to dance. Now I can't.
Well, besides seeing them dancing on the top of the bars, but that's besides the
No,
point.
battle dance. You know, like that what is it, the rave and stuff.
So I want to know some things about you guys. We've known each other for so long, right? And there's just some gaps, I'll say, between us getting older. What age did you guys start singing? Like, I know your dad's been doing this for a long time, but when did you guys get into that groove?
Well, I sang since I 5 years old is when I started singing. I sang mostly all Italian songs. Then, what about you?
They gave me a brush instead of a mic, and I'll never forget that, Dad. So I'll never, I'll never leave my daughter out because I know how it felt in a way. Like, you don't. Both my kids sing, so we started singing at a very young age, and it's in the blood, and I love it. It's so much fun.
So you say you sing a lot of Italian
I sang a lot of
songs.
Italian songs because when we were kids, we used to watch a lot of Sanremo
Mm.
on the Rai channel. And we loved all those Italian singers like Anna Oxa and, Eros Ramazzotti and all that
Mina
stuff.
and all them.
Yeah, yes. And Loredana Bertez. So we used to sing, Marcella Bella, we used to sing all these Italian songs. And growing up, little by little, then we watched our father performing at all these parties, the feasts, the weddings and stuff like that. And then growing up, it's just like in the blood. It's natural. We wanted to follow in our father's footsteps. We saw how he performs, and now I'm singing everywhere with him. And
I write songs for my dad, my sister.
Oh, nice.
I like
very
being
nice.
behind the scenes. And now my son,
not anymore. You're not behind the scenes anymore.
because of my son, I can't hide anymore. And, it's good to get out of your shell a little bit.
Right.
And this is my first podcast as well.
She sings really good too, by the way.
I sing, but for fun. Just like my son Marcello, we sing for fun. And because it's not that serious. It's just music, guys.
She writes good music. Like, if I want to write a song, I'm not good with the lyrics part. I'm good with the melody and the music part. I'll make up a song on the piano. Me and my father will come up with melodies and beats and stuff. And then I'm like, Connie, can you write lyrics? Can you, write the words for us? And then she comes up with that. Well, sometimes you write a complete song yourself too with melody.
Yeah, I wrote a song for my wedding. It was a mother-son dance. And now a lot of DJs have been asking for it. It's called Mama Tu Say. So it's been playing at, some weddings. So it's good to see that, like, it's in some wedding videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thing. So I like writing songs for, just the heart of it.
Yeah.
When
We wrote a Sweet 16 song
Oh, really?
a long time ago, and now everybody's using it on TikTok. Whoever's like turning 16. We were kids when we wrote it, and she just decided you put it on
Just a
TikTok.
little clip on
and everyone's
TikTok
like using that,
for the video.
So when did you start writing though?
We started writing at like 12 years old,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
11, 12.
Oh yeah.
Jeez, I couldn't even spell my name at 12 years old. Good for
Yeah.
you.
We just
32. I still can't write it.
you wrote a song double MC.
Oh my God, double
Remember
MC.
that?
But our first song we wrote, our very first song that was
good
really good was "Sail Away."
Sail
Right?
Away.
Yeah. So.
And
Yeah.
I don't know if it was that song, but we did record that song in a New Jersey studio, and it was the same studio that Britney Spears recorded her first album, some of her songs.
Wow.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
And
That's awesome.
we got interviewed by a label, which I forgot the label.
Yeah. A record label was interested.
What did we say?
in me, and I said, I don't want to get signed because I want to hang out with my friends. I want to have a normal life.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
we
go.
didn't want to be famous.
But-
Like I said, I don't want to be famous like Britney Spears
Yeah.
because
I kind of regret it.
Yeah, it's not like you don't want to get the famous. You want the money, like Britney Spears.
No.
You want Britney Spears money. I want Britney Spears
But
money.
we
But
like the
I
level
feel
that
like
we're in now.
I feel like the music industry
Yeah.
is a whole different thing than the music business.
Yes.
It's like the way you look at it, because my dad's been in the band with his brothers, and it's like a family thing, and they stay like mostly local. But yeah, he's sang in Florida. He sings there in Italy. But it's mostly like a family thing. So me and her would crash all the dinner dances, open bar.
Free cocktail
We'd be
hour.
like 20 years old. Oh, daddy's sitting here. Free drinks, dancing,
Free food.
yeah, food.
I was a party crasher. Dad, what are you saying?
were
Can
waiting
I
for-
come? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have a question for you guys. What genre do you specifically go like sing?
So when I perform, I do a lot of genres. Like it depends the crowd too. So if we're doing an Italian party, I'll do a lot of Italian songs. We'll do some American, we'll do disco, and then we'll do like some jazz, Frank Sinatra and stuff like that. Then if there's like the younger crowd that we know that likes freestyle, we'll do freestyle. We'll do like 80s music, 90s. Like I do different genres of
Nice.
music. I don't do opera. I could sing opera, but I'll do Conte Partito with my father, like one opera, but I'm not really into all that
Right.
part. But we like party music, dance music, tarantella, Italian, different genres.
It's good that you don't niche yourself. Which is
That's
the
what
big thing.
that's what I like about growing up in the family business is that they were allowed to, like all of us, we were allowed to sing whatever we wanted,
Good.
dress how we want, eat obviously whatever we want, and people still love us because we're real. Like we're part of the
Yeah.
I don't sing, but I eat whatever I want
I'll
to.
be honest with you,
Yeah.
but
I don't want people telling us you gotta sing like this, say this,
yeah.
dress
Exactly.
like this. No, I've never been somebody that
Right.
you
No,
can
we
tell
just
me
do
what
our
to
own
do.
thing.
Yeah,
do our
and
own
You
it's
have fun with
freeing
it.
that way, and it's
Right.
all for the love of music and creativity.
Right.
That's
Well,
really what it is.
But when I sing at these parties, I'm really not into singing like Taylor Swift, Britney Spears.
You're not a Swiftie?
Beyonce.
You're not a Swiftie?
No,
Oh my
don't.
God.
No, you are. You're a Swiftie.
Hell no.
I don't sing that type of music because
know.
my fan base,
I loved you, Taylor.
We loved you.
my fan base is more like old school
Right.
music, So and that's what
freestyle, dance music.
that's what I enjoy most.
Shout out to Judy Torres.
Judy Torres.
So speaking of freestyle, I see you have a nice hat there.
Yo, Maria. Where's Sal? He's over there. Yeah, I love this hat because my name is Maria, and
Yo.
now my name is Yo Maria. But no, I like it. Yeah, it's my name.
That's awesome.
You guys don't know what my name is? It's right up
Right there. It's Yo Maria.
She's actually written Yo Maria on her birth
Exclamation
certificate.
point.
Yo Maria. Yo Maria. Yo Maria.
So what is, if you had to sing a song, right? Is it freestyle? Is that what you like love to do?
Dance.
Dance music, I would say, right?
Dance music.
Like
Yeah.
back in the day dance music, like DHT type stuff?
Cascada stuff.
Yeah.
I love that.
Sassy. I love her.
Oh, I love that.
She's so cool.
Yeah, dance music. I like dance music. Yeah.
Not bad.
And I also like to sing old school Italian music too. Felicita, da-da-da-da-da-da.
Those are classics.
Yeah.
Classics. I
So
like.
you know what I love? I love that you guys are singing all this music like from back in the day, and you're telling your nephew about this music, and your nephew
he hears
is
what we do. Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
He hears and sees what I do, what my father does,
Right.
and
He's a sponge.
he picks up on it. And he likes Michael Bublé. He likes Frank. We ask him, Marcello, out of all the songs that me and Nonu sing, what do you like listening to the best? And he goes, I like Michael Bublé.
Blue Blay.
He likes the Beatles, Paul McCartney. He likes that type.
Oh,
that
that's
genre.
awesome.
Yeah.
Which is shocking for me for
Yeah.
a seven-year-old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He likes that music. Normally you get like, I like Miss Rachel, and I'm like, all right, get out of here. But it's good that he's into this stuff. I mean,
Caught him singing Red Hot Chili Peppers one night.
oh God.
See, we listen to
Yeah.
everything,
Right.
Because my dad's in the band, so he had to learn. My dad even sang a Chinese song at the 18th Avenue Feast.
What?
Really?
Yeah,
Because
and
he
they
wants
loved
to
it.
include everybody.
That's awesome.
That's
At the 18th
amazing.
Avenue Feast, there's every nationality.
Right.
So my
Right.
dad, he learned the Chinese song.
He was nice enough.
Wow.
You don't know what he's saying.
I want to know. I want to hear this.
It's on YouTube. It's on
my
my TikTok too.
Yeah,
yeah.
And they knew it. And then he got like a few of them to come up on stage because they knew the song. And they were
Wow.
singing it with
Yeah.
him. I'm like, oh,
That's crazy.
that was
Wow.
nice of my dad to,
He
like,
likes to
wanna
include
add that.
everybody.
But that's
Yeah.
good. You know,
what
he
I love
thinks
about
about that. Not a lot of people would actually
No.
do that.
Yeah.
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 A lot of people today is all about themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Like my dad doesn't have a set schedule when he sings. He looks at the crowd and he'll sing what's according to what they're feeling.
Yeah.
So they're like
It
vibe
depends
singers,
the
I
crowd.
guess.
Like we see, you know what? I think they're gonna like this. They're gonna
well,
gonna want to.
in my opinion, you have to do that, right? Because
Yeah.
it's like a
gotta
DJ.
make
You
everybody
can't
happy.
switch the vibe. Everybody's gonna go sit down.
Yeah.
You know, but
You
that
gotta
is
make everybody happy, and then if they want to request a song that we don't know, we have a DJ that works with us, and the DJ plays it. You know, so yeah. But we try to make everyone happy.
So what's next? I see you have lineups of stuff coming up.
I've been doing a lot of restaurants. I've been performing at a lot of those. Then we have Carnevale coming up in February, so I'm gonna be performing at 2 Carnevale events. Then I'm gonna be performing on a cruise, February 18th, with my uncles for the week, the President's Week. And every summer we do festivals, a lot of feasts. But in the wintertime, we've been doing a lot of Christmas parties.
Yeah.
And February is always Carnevale and cruises. So I'm really looking forward to that. And what about you? Where are you gonna bring Marcello?
School.
He's got a CBS event.
No, he's got a couple of private gigs. Okay. And we're just going with the flow.
How does it been for you? Like the experience with your son going viral and the news and the talk shows. As a mom, like how is that feeling?
Scary, overwhelming, and also I can't believe I gave birth to him.
But explain
Not
why.
Maria, because people get us confused. They think that's the mother, and I did all the work. All right?
She gets all the credit for some
The
reason.
God, I'm the padrina.
Imagine like she's posting something. Yours, and I see the comments. Your son is so cute. I'm like,
Then you got to write in there. That was a mistake. That's my kid.
but she's the godmother, and she taught him a lot.
I do
Right.
get that a lot where I'm performing. They're like, "Your son is so cute." You know, I'm not gonna be like, "Thank you."
You're not? You better.
He's my nephew. He's
Right.
my nephew. Yeah.
So now, when you said scary, why? Why the scareness? Like, what bothers you?
Well, I've been following a lot of childhood stars and what they went through,
Yeah.
and I'm all for like justice for Britney. I'm all for that, and I feel like, you know, music should be fun. The entertainment should be fun and kid friendly, and like I said, I just want to go with the flow. We've been through it, watching it with my dad, experiencing the music in our way, so
Like in a healthy way.
in a healthy, safe way. So with my son, I just have to make sure it
It continues.
It stays that way.
stays
that way, yeah.
in a safe, fun way, and that he's having fun.
Yeah.
He's excited
Like you
about it.
balancing both. He still
Yeah, he still
gets
has
to live as a
he still
kid.
goes to kid
Goes to
parties,
cool-
Right.
parties.
That's
I
important.
still do play dates. Nothing has changed.
That's good. Yeah,
You
that's
know,
important.
The gigs are at local restaurants, really.
Mm-hmm.
He's home by 8:00, so it's like you go there, we eat a little bit, he sings, and then we come home. So it doesn't really.
No after parties? No.
No,
I'll do the after.
no, she's the one that
I'll
stays
step
late.
in.
I'm home. I'm in bed by 11.
Has people recognized him in the streets when you're with him?
If I'm at the store and I say Marcello, like I see people, like you know, but he's dressing in like sweatsuits and like comfortable clothes when we're out. So it's not like he's in a suit, like walking around. So they don't, you know.
Yeah.
So like I put my hood.
There you
Thinking
go.
of my son with the hood.
You got to get the briefcase to hide when you get in the car. It's like, we got to go.
No, but shout out to all the school moms that they're so great, and you know they're just so welcoming. When I moved to Staten Island, and they saw the process. He sang at one of his birthday parties. He just came out. I think it was his 5th or 6th birthday. Nobody knew he sang yet, because like for me he's just playing, but he's like, "Ma, can I sing at my birthday?" I'm like, "All right." So when everybody was eating pizza and having cake, he comes out with a little speaker, sets it all up, like all quiet.
The
He's like,
mixer.
and he just started belting out Sweet Caroline. And it was
Nice.
cute. All the parents were like, "Oh, look at this boy.
I was doing a restaurant in Brooklyn one night, and I found out that Marcello was singing at an Italian social club private party right next door to me. I'm like, Marcello, oh my God. Like, so he's got his little gig and I got my gig next door.
Oh,
So yeah, it's nice. But he's,
And then after he sang, he's running around with the kids. Like, it's like,
yeah.
I love seeing that.
when
Right.
when I was his age, I didn't want to sing. I didn't want I wanted nothing to do with music. I was shy. Even though, like I told you earlier, that I've been singing since I was 5 years old. But I didn't want to take it seriously. Growing up, I didn't want to, like I said, I wanted to hang out with my friends. And then what hit me, what made me now want to start singing and getting out there was when my father came out with L'Italiano on the radio and he started singing at all these clubs. Then I see all these fans, and then he went to Madison Square Garden singing with Ray Charles and Patti LaBelle, and then he went to do like Beatstock. So I'm looking at my dad and I'm like, wow, like now I really want to sing. Now I really want to get out there. Yeah, so that's when my father called me and he was like, Mare, I need you. We have a gig here. We have a gig here. So in my late 20s is when I wanted to get back to singing and taking it seriously. So that's like my side job now on weekends.
Nice.
Now I enjoy it.
Yeah.
You gotta enjoy it because the minute it starts becoming like a job, you could leave behind.
Exactly. The saddest thing in life is wasted talent, I sing. So I really want to do it. And I told my father, if you have, any gigs, now he's been really busy and he takes me everywhere. Yesterday we had one together. We've been doing a lot of things together, but when I was a kid, I just wanted to hang out with my friends. I didn't want to sing at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Right.
was shy. I was nervous. So
Nice. Did you guys ever like sing with your son or your nephew, or in the future would want to sing with him?
I've sang with him.
Nice.
Like let's say, like for example, when I was doing a restaurant, they came to visit. They came to see me. And I'm like, Marcello, do you want to sing with me? And me and him would do some songs together. Then he would go sing with my father, especially at the 18th Avenue feasts. He would start off with the Italian national anthem. Then he would do duets with my father, some Italian songs like Tra Paranella. And I would sing, and I'll sing the Felicità, and then me and Vinny would sing that song together, and then I'll get Marcello and he'll sing along with me. But in the future too, yeah, like I would. I'm his #1 fan now. I gotta ask
He's
him.
mine now,
Can I
too.
sing with you, Marcello?
He's all of ours.
Yeah.
After seeing the videos and all this other stuff, he's a new fan of mine, man. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, now I gotta
I
ask
used to go around saying, not go around saying, but I used to say, I'm Angelo's daughter. Now I say, I'm Marcello's mom.
There you go.
Yeah, like I'm
Video Angelo.
That trumps. That always
Video
trumps.
Angelo.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
I'm Marcello's aunt.
Oh,
I'm gonna tell you the way you said it.
Angelo's the guy who's jealous of his grandson, right? Is that the guy? Is that the guy we're talking about?
My dad is the biggest Paul McCartney fan. You have no idea. The biggest. And for my son to get a little note, like, that's all my dad needed. He
goes, now I'm happy.
He was like a pig in shit.
Yeah. No, I can
Yeah.
see that. That's
know?
something big. That's not something small. That's
Paul
big.
McCartney, via his niece.
Yeah, 7-year-old did that. But no, it's
Oh,
fun.
and Michael
It's fun.
Bublé commented on the video that
I
went
saw
viral.
that. Yeah.
And all I kept thinking was, this poor guy is having dinner with his family and his phone is blowing up. For a kid in Staten Island. And I was like, Miskino Kisto, like his wife is probably like, get off the phone, who is this?
Oh, wow.
He went right after
People
Marcello.
were tagging the guy, like,
Yeah.
A few days after Marcello sang at Angelina's restaurant on Staten Island, Michael Bublé was there.
Stop.
He was at
Really?
that same restaurant. I was like, oh, imagine like he was there the same night. That would have been awesome.
So did he ever get in contact with you guys, or
no, just the comment.
just a comment? Okay.
Which is good enough.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Honestly, how
Very
many times do you
appreciative.
hear that they actually reach out and say something? A lot of times when you say we're fans with this, you don't hear anything because they're doing their own
They
thing.
hear it so many
These
times.
people, they're busy.
Anything is nice. Anything
Right.
is nice.
Yeah.
But
And that's what I love, because he's a kid and it's like so innocent and organic.
Yeah.
And it's good to see, like, he's just having fun and it's like a breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The world needs some love and happiness now,
I know.
Thank God for you guys, too. Like, you guys are like, you guys are
try.
bringing the Italians together.
I was gonna say that, bringing the Italians
I like that there's no
together.
competition,
Yeah.
no ego with us. I love
We're
it.
keeping this tradition alive.
Yeah.
The Italians and because like
Italians
the
stick
older
together.
generation, then you have this
Some.
generation. We're trying to keep it alive, you know, because the younger generation is like, you know,
Lost mostly.
yeah,
Yeah.
no voglio, too what? I don't know how to
Gnocchi.
cut. Pasta with gravy.
Oh God, don't bring up.
So since you brought it up, I ask everybody sits in this couch, is it sauce or is it gravy?
Sauce.
So wait,
Pasta com sugo.
pasta com sugo.
Sugo.
Still waiting for that one guy to say
Yeah.
gravy. I'm still waiting.
I say it
for
all the time. I'm trying to catch somebody in the couch.
To say gravy.
say
Wanna know
gravy.
The
something?
gravy's for turkey.
There you go.
Yesterday, during cocktail hour, they had the meatballs, right? But it was the gravy, the brown gravy.
Oh, the Swedish meatballs.
Oh, okay, that's Swedish meatballs.
Yeah.
That's the gravy.
They
the
give it to you at
brown.
IKEA too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then they had
IKEA.
the regular Italian meatballs with the sauce.
Right.
That's sauce.
That's sauce. The other one's Swedish meatballs. You get that when you're trying to pick out furniture at IKEA.
I'm hungry. I just.
they're gonna
I want
call
a
that
Duskin
sauce.
meatballs.
That's gravy. That's
Yeah,
brown.
that's brown gravy. Yeah. I mean, even I gotta admit, like that's good. Like I'm like, all right, I'm not calling it red sauce. but
Someone
it's-
told me the reason why we call it gravy is because when we make the sauce, we put meat in there, like brashol, the salsiccia, and this, and then that's why it's called gravy. I'm like, that doesn't make sense.
So we actually looked that up, and it was actually a mixture of the language. It was a mixture of like French. So the French called gravy ajou, and then it changed to gravu, and then when they came
ragu.
here, gravy.
Gravy. Oh.
That's how it kind of like changed. But they can't say that that's exactly what it is, and that's what it's called. Fuck you, it's sauce.
Exactly. I think salsa in English is sauce.
Sauce is red, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did one regret. Remember the one regret? Show us one jar that says gravy.
Oh my God! So I went on social media because I like to do this controversy thing. Is it sauce or is it gravy? Do you eat pineapples in a pizza? Yeah, and you just get feedback. So someone actually said something to me where they said, "Well, I was born in Sicily, and in Sicily we call it gravy."
Never heard of it.
My ass.
I never heard of that before.
My ass.
So I said to the guy, "Okay, show me a can that you go to a supermarket that says gravy."
Did you find it?
Mika, they found so many.
Are you serious?
They found so many.
But it's New Jersey.
But conveniently, it's all sold in New Jersey.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I can't
I
say-
was blown away.
America.
You ever seen
American people?
Yeah, but have you ever seen something where you're just like, fuck, they got me. It's like that's what it was.
that's
You
not-
got me.
That's not real Italian.
No, it's not.
Because
It's probably
I
ketchup.
was joking around with Marcus a couple of weeks ago, saying, "Listen, we're gonna be rich," and he goes, "What do you got in mind? We're gonna make the first can that says gravy."
Oh, and it was already out there.
It was already
it was
out.
just a goof, and then someone said, and they were showing me pictures. They're at Stop and Shop, and they went to this organic place, and they had it. I was like, "Oh my God!"
Was it brown or red?
I know it was rich.
I hope it's black
If
when they
somebody
open it.
asks-
It was black.
If somebody asks you that they want pasta with gravy, I dare you to literally put brown gravy in the pasta and give it to them.
Oh, if I had a restaurant, I owned it, I might do that prank.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's not gravy. You said it's gravy.
So when your dad was here, because he does something that's forbidden for a lot of Italians.
Oh.
Yeah, you might know where I'm going with this.
Wait, hold on.
He puts the cheese on
The
the, fish
cheese on the
sauce.
fish, yeah.
So he puts the cheese. Look, I don't eat fish, but I put cheese on everything.
Too. I put cheese on the
Linguine
fish
with the
sauce.
clams.
That's where I put it on.
You know what it is? Like, okay, I saw an Italian chef from Italy. He put cheese on top of his pasta with the, what is it, for diavolo?
Eat the
I
way.
do that
Fragile,
too.
yeah.
I do that too.
Because
yeah.
it's a base sauce red. It's like a red sauce base.
Yeah.
So you kind of can get away with it.
It gives it flavor. I don't
Well,
understand.
cheese because everything flavor. You know.
Right.
Listen, you got those picky few like, oh, you can't do that. Yeah,
But
you
then
can.
there's people who could have lox with cream cheese. That's salmon. That's fish right there. Well,
I could do that.
I love that.
Oh, hell yeah.
With the capers.
Okay, all right. Now I know it's supposed to be with capers. I know it's supposed to be with capers. I can't do capers.
Listen, I don't care what anyone says. I'm gonna put grated cheese on my pasta with seafood.
Yeah, I do that too.
I don't know
I
what
mean,
you-
in oreganata, they add breadcrumbs and
There you go.
cheese and all that.
Yeah.
So I mean, why not?
I like
I
it.
put cheese on everything, even when I gel my hair in the morning. Cheese, it just keeps it nice.
Listen, I'm a professional fat person. I have to have cheese on everything. They say cheese is a fat man's candy. That's exactly what it is. I want it on everything.
It's good. I think it
We
gives
go
out more
wrong.
flavor.
Whoever said
You
I
put
can't
your
believe I put-
pasta with your cheese.
Hell yeah, but like, who eats it and goes, "Oh, this could have used less cheese or no cheese"? What are you drunk?
Love it. Calamari, this and that. Yeah.
I wrote a mozzarella song, by the way.
Did
You
you,
did?
really?
Yeah.
No way.
How-
Charlie P. and me and my dad are in the chorus. And it's called the Mozzarella Song. It's so
The
fun.
mozzarella.
Give us
I
a
gotta
little
hear
preview.
it.
Give us a little preview. How's it
I
go?
want to hear a little piece of it.
Tu sei bella stella, mangia mozzarella, balla canta come tutti tarantella.
And when there's Italian food, you have a festa.
And I love the
Antipasta mozzarella. Ue, mozzarella. Ue, tarantella. Ue, ti piace mozzarella.
All right, before she says it, can you record that and then I can use that for my page as my
I'm gonna
theme?
send it to you.
I said it before you did. I won.
Oh, I
don't
thought you were
care.
gonna say, can you
We could
record
share
that? So
it.
when-
No, I'm tired of the sharing stuff. I want that. I
send you
want
the
that.
song.
I want
Do
that.
his
Mozzarella,
mozzarella and
that's
mine
all.
Oh
mozzarella.
my God, we're gonna start that.
Oh,
You always want somebody that
Add
does his
peas in
mozzarella.
it though too in the song.
do you say mozzarella or do you say mozzarella?
Mozzarella.
Do
Mozzarella.
you say regot? Regot.
They got.
It's ricotta, guys.
Good.
But see, that's the thing. You roll the R's. They don't roll
I
the
don't know how
R's.
to do trrr,
Oh,
trrr.
you can't roll the R.
I mean, I would have loved to, so I could go like this with my husband. Trrr, like, yeah, trrr. But
How do you do it?
now I go.
They're giving out raspberries.
Ufa scandare, he runs.
Yeah, he's still here.
Antipasta mozzarella.
Just cover your mouth when you say the brr, mozzarella.
Does that annoy you when you hear people mispronounce some of the Italian stuff?
It annoys me personally. It's
Yeah.
I don't know, just it annoys me. I mean, listen, anybody could pronounce it the way they want, but it really annoys me when
You don't say gabagool?
no.
Gabagool. You don't say
Wait, the capicola.
gabagool. You're saying it wrong.
Gabagool?
It's
You
gabagool.
say-
I used to say Nutella when I was little instead of
Oh.
Nutella.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't know, and then I.
You almost said mudan.
Now
there.
she says Mudan.
Mudan Nicolo Nutella.
Nutella's good.
I mean, you know, it's the same color
I
of,
would
you
have
know.
put Nutella in mudan.
I can't go to the store because when I was a kid, I didn't know how to speak English. I only spoke Italian. So when I go to the store, I can't say can I have ricotta. I have to say can I have ricotta.
You're the weird one.
I'm the weird one.
Yeah, you're the weird
Can
one.
I say mozzarella?
Wait,
I
you
mean,
say rigot?
no, I can't.
No.
But I gotta say,
Yeah,
can I have ricotta?
ricotta?
It sounds like somebody was
I'm
trying to say it and they
used to
got
it.
punched in the throat.
Wait, what do you say?
It sounds like when they say rigot, it sounds like they were about to say ricotta, but they got punched in the throat right before they finished.
That's a good one.
I spoke Italian more when I was a kid.
I
than
feel like
now.
I know you guys for years. Like
We have.
It's a natural
Hello?
chemistry.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, but I'm new to the scene, so yeah, there you go, that one.
like with paisan.
Yeah.
But they enjoy your skits online.
And finally, we got somebody who actually likes them.
I love you. Oh my god, you crack me
You
up.
know why? You're
crack me
awesome
up.
because you don't give a shit.
I really don't. I
I
really
need
don't.
some of that.
You gotta like.
I don't give a shit either, but
I was gonna
like,
say something.
Let me tell you something. There's some things that I wanted to do that we were like, all right, we got to tame it down a bit. I'm like, damn, but this would have been so good.
Yeah.
2 pages, one rated R
Right.
and one.
They're gonna ban you.
No, I still need a job because they check that stuff.
I told Marcus he should have a fans only
I
page.
still need
There
a
you
job.
go.
Oh my god! I'm
And then you can see me
cameo.
making fresh Cinnabons, but like, with just an apron.
With
That's
fresh
it.
milk.
Oh my god!
There you
The
go.
other photo.
I eat mine with
Just
pecans.
fresh cinnamon.
We should do a cooking show one day.
Whenever you're
We
ready.
need judges to see which one.
Well, I have a
tastes
pizza
better.
oven. We could do a pizza.
Oh, that would be good.
You know.
Frank makes awesome pizza. Every time when I come here, he makes pizza. It's like I walk out.
I
and go,
dare
oh,
anyone to
God.
challenge me.
Yeah, we could do
Yeah?
a pizza challenge.
All right.
Pizza challenge.
That sounds like a plan to
Nervous
me.
Now.
Nah, don't be nervous. It's all right.
I'll eat it. I'll be the taste tester.
Yeah, tú.
Sure, it takes the easy ride.
The guys should all be the taste testers.
So,
Oh wait, no. Oh wait, yeah.
Mark,
No, I don't know.
say it. Say it.
No, I said the guys should be the taste testers, but there's more guys than girls. So who's gonna cook? Just me and you? And wait, you, the girls.
An
The
Enza.
girls will cook.
Yeah.
I cook. What the hell?
Yeah. All right, whoever. All right,
And
whatever.
don't put me on
Enza.
garlic duty.
Enza,
I
yeah.
did that when I was 9 years
go,
old.
yeah.
All right, I'm done over. I'm over
You
that.
have to wear a shirt though.
One shirt.
No,
A shirt.
I just want him to wear mutani and the apron, and then
Oh, come on.
Me.
come out like too sexy for my mozzarella. You gotta wear the lupo hat that you have on.
Right. See?
Yeah.
Do karaoke after.
A little bit of the that just came back up. I'm sorry.
Oh, stop it. Sexy and you know it.
Oh, that would be funny though.
Well, we can always
be
come up
really
with good
funny.
stuff.
They're joking, by the way. Don't get all hyped up.
No, now
he's gonna go to work
planted the
tomorrow
seed.
naked.
No, they planted the seed. It's done. I'm getting water on it right now.
Planting the seed.
You know what I always wanted to do though?
What?
I always wanted to dress like an old lady with my friends and walk around the city and like go nuts.
You're so
And they-
weird.
That's what she does.
I literally have
You
wigs.
know what I mean though? Like being
Literally have no wigs.
yeah, like
no.
being a wig, like in a mask and everything.
Yeah.
And like just like party like
Yeah.
club.
Let me know. That would be a
Like
great
an old
video.
nonna.
The sad part is that me and his brother went around this neighborhood dressed like chicks when we were
Did
16.
you?
Oh,
Oh, you
yeah. I got
did?
pictures.
God.
Halloween.
God.
But let me tell you something.
I have it on my
I've
phone.
never seen so many cars honk at his brother. Like you have no. He's
Are
got
you
legs
serious?
with the leggings and the dress. Me.
Oh,
Forget about it.
I
My brother has a nice ass.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, listen, he's cute on him, yeah. Just saying.
You're flirting.
It's all right.
Oh.
It's all right. 16. We were 16. I'm going. He's underage, you stupid bastard.
You guys have known each other since you was.
Long time. I was 13
Wow.
when I first met G, and the funny part is, and this is the part that no one understands. It doesn't even make sense to me. 13 years old. G moves to Long Island. They all moved to Long Island. I started seeing him more.
So I live in Brooklyn,
Right.
and my sister moved to Staten Island, and I'm in Staten Island more than I am in Brooklyn.
Yeah.
I don't drive. I don't have a license, so I Uber the shit out. My father yells at me, "Stop!"
And I don't
Ubering."
drive over the bridge.
I Uber
Why
back
not?
and forth, back and
you
forth.
scared of the bridge? Stop.
No, like no tunnels, no.
So
bridges.
how did you get here?
My
I
husband
Ubered.
drove.
Like this.
Oh, I think you just
I was saying,
scared of it.
look at Gucci.
Period. You just
Like
won't
that.
drive on it.
No, I won't drive like on the bridge.
Just try holding your breath through the whole thing.
No, I can't. I don't know. I have like a fear. I always have nightmares. In another reality, I definitely was. I don't know.
And I have
I
a fear
can't-
of driving, but my husband Sal will bring me
Yeah.
here and there.
Just
But then
Sal's
there's-
your butler.
Sal's my butler, yeah. But then there's
And
times
so's my
that
chauffeur.
I have.
times that he's like, "No, I don't feel like going to Staten Island." Fine, I'll just Uber, and then I'll
Right.
get a call from my dad. "How did you get there?" I Ubered. "Money, Mike se pazza. I got the money." I'm like,
you live once.
I'll do anything to see my sister Marcello,
Right.
and, you know.
Aw.
But we have fun, you know.
course.
It's worth. I think it's a lot of money, but it's worth it. You know, we have a good time.
I have a fear too when I drive, and that's only when I go over train tracks. So real quick, I scream, and then I go over the track, and I'm like, just in case the train, because you don't know. You're looking, and then you always see those videos where the train comes out of nowhere, meh,
You know
and I go over, and go, ah, and then I go right over. I'm done.
You know they do close the streets before
I
going.
know, but what if that thing was faulty? I don't know. I'm not looking.
That's just bad luck then.
No, that's scary.
Close your eyes and you go.
I don't know
That's
if,
it.
right.
honestly,
2 seconds. You close your
I
eyes for
don't
2
know if
seconds.
I will ever be ready to drive
You gotta try it though. Come
You
on.
should.
because I get panic attacks.
You never drove?
I would drive like around the block, like my husband would be like, "Just give it a try," and I'll drive around the block, and then after that, I'm like, "Okay, I gotta get out. I can't."
But it just sets
is
in
it-
out of nowhere.
Is it the car? You're closing the
Comes.
car, or the situation you're driving through?
It's just I don't trust like other drivers out there, and then I kind of don't trust myself, like, cause then if I'm in the car with Sal and I'm in the passenger seat, I get nervous still. If he's got to change
Well, that's
lanes,
because Sal's driving.
Oh,
if
come
I
on.
gotta change,
Love you,
if
Sal.
he has to change lanes, like I'll look at the mirror with him, and I'll look at the side view mirror with him,
We
and
were
then
just
like.
talking about that.
But I'm
Weren't
good
we
with
just
directions.
talking about that?
I'm like the GPS though.
Right. You're the good passenger driver.
And I know the
I'm the
rules with
worst.
their driving, but I can't be
don't.
behind the wheel.
See, I feel like as I'm getting older, like this is changing for me too.
The
So
older we get.
when I was young, I went to Disney World in the early 2000s. I rode every roller coaster. I go now, I don't want to see one.
Neither.
The older we get, everything
Neither.
just
Yeah.
starts changing about us now. You know,
We
like
were fearless. Now,
But even with the car, like I have a problem now. I mean, it's not bad, but if I'm driving and I'm in control, I feel okay. Even if I'm in the passenger seat now, like I remember my father-in-law used to take us all upstate. I had the best sleeps in the back seat. Now I can't do that no more. Like I panic. I have to keep
have to
looking.
keep
I have to
work-
keep
yeah.
you
watching.
gotta keep
I'm
looking.
like
Like,
that.
Yeah.
I used to love flying, but now I'm very afraid of flying. But I don't care because I know there's a cruise ship waiting for me,
Oh,
or like I'm going to Florida.
that's your goal. It's the goal that you're going
Yeah,
to.
I know that Florida there's this, but
I got a test key for
the
you.
older I get, the more I'm afraid of everything.
if there was no Uber, and you have to make that cruise ship, and
Bus.
you see
Train, bus.
no bus. The only option is a car. Sal left his keys on the table. Are you gonna take it and
Oh
drive?
my God, I will. Are you kidding me? I would get
Put 10 GPSs on.
If there's that, because I've been on 40 cruise ships
Nice.
since I was a kid, because sometimes we'll sing on it. And it's not about vacationing on it. I like, you know how guys like models of cars? I like the design and the models of cruise ships. I love boats.
A lot of people like
I
that.
love ships.
Yeah.
Wow.
It could be like a small boat, a yacht, or a cruise
But you
ship.
were saying too, you will watch shows on that.
So I'll walk to the cruise ship if I have to. If I have to fly, I'll. What'd you say?
You watch shows on ships. You were
I
saying.
watch anything about cruise ships, the designs, the layouts. You can show me a picture, and I'll look at the background and I'll tell you exactly what cruise line that is, what boat it is.
That's crazy.
And
Wow.
I'll see a cruise ship from a mile away. My father will be like, "What is that? Oh, that's the Norwegian Sky. Oh, that's the Norwegian. Oh, that's the Carnival. That's this."
How do you tell by the color?
The shape and the color.
Logo, right?
The color on like a ufumaloro, what is the funnel, and the color of, or like how it's shaped, how it's modeled. I just know everything about it, and it's something that I enjoy. You know, like a guy like you love cars, the models, this and that. So, but if I had to drive to a boat, I think I would do that.
Sal, when is your anniversary back there? When is your anniversary?
I'm going on one in February, actually.
I think you should buy her a boat.
Yeah.
That's your birthday present.
I won't drive a car, but I will sail a ship.
It's a little different because it's like in the middle of the water. When am I gonna hit, right?
Sail a ship.
And then there you go, Titanic, iceberg. I don't
It's
know
like
where.
flying up.
Hajimia.
The mermaid.
The mermaid.
The mermaid. Ariel.
Ariel.
Yeah, I will. I'll sail a ship. I'll be the captain. I won't be the driver.
Listen, we could buy a boat. Marcus could drive it for us,
There you go.
Yeah.
and we'll go.
Do it.
I don't know, wherever you want to go.
But you know, so I don't like roller coasters, like things that go up and down. We went on my friend's uncle's fishing boat, and it went really fast. I liked it, but then when it stopped, the waves were really rough, so it went like this. I hate that.
Really?
So,
I would try to jump with the up.
but
You
when,
know what I
when
mean?
it
Like,
goes like this, like the
Catch
little,
air.
the smaller they are, and the more movement they have, like I don't. I
So
feel like
have
I'm
a
on the
drink
roller
and then it'll
coaster.
level out.
yeah, right.
Knock yourself out and then, you'll be
I
fine.
did. Actually, it didn't work at all. It
No, I
didn't
can't
work at all.
Try running
Probably
back
made
and
it
forth
worse.
On the,
It's the worst.
Yeah.
No, but that's what I like. I love.
for all these cruises you've been on, have you ever experienced bad weather?
Yes, I was 9 years old actually. We went on the Costa Classica and there was really bad weather, and even on the Royal Caribbean, and when like it goes up and then it goes boom, it goes down.
Yeah.
I experienced, out of all 40 ships I've been on, I experienced 2 bad ones, but I wasn't nervous.
You knew the territory you were
I
in.
knew it was built to,
Yeah, the stabilizers, all
yeah,
that
I'm
stuff.
used to it. But
So is it Titanic? I'm just saying.
That was a.
All right, that's for another show.
I know.
We're gonna keep that on. JP Morgan, we got an eye on you, but I'm just saying. All right, keep going.
Well, if you're in the plane, you got no choice. You're in the air.
You're already in the boat. You're already in the water. You can't land in the water. You're in the water.
Yeah.
There you go.
I could swim. My husband.
So wait,
can.
I heard.
Oh,
You
I'll
say
save
water
you.
or water?
Jack.
water.
I say water.
Water.
Woulda.
Save my husband.
Airplane bathroom. Yeah.
That's the
Dog.
that's the
Water.
Brooklyn. That's the
Dog.
Brooklyn.
Yeah.
So actually, I was told in college, because I did a radio class. So it was my turn to do the words, the sentences, and I was like all into it. I did the radio part. And, I was so proud of myself. I look over, the teacher and a student was laughing. And I was like, what's so funny? They were laughing at my accent.
Yeah, guess
I
what?
didn't know there was anything wrong with a Brooklyn accent
guess-
until that day.
Guess who
And
else?
then I didn't want to do radio anymore.
Guess who else?
that's-
was
Now?
laughing?
Thank God this podcast.
Wait. Jordan Knight from New Kids on the Block made fun of your accent.
What?
So yeah, he don't remember.
He goes, "You're from Brooklyn."
You don't know. You never
I don't
know.
remember. My dad was singing in the city. So backstage, I don't know what I said, but he's like imitated me. I was like, "Mink, yeah, all right. Guraju."
Right.
You know, like, yeah, all right. And then I don't want to talk about him.
Why? You don't.
I don't want to talk bad about
You were
people.
talking about accents. I'm just
You
saying.
don't want to talk bad about. That's all they do all day. I like talking bad about people. Let's go.
Come on, we're just talking about
We'll exchange
coffee.
notes.
Wait, who else?
Coffee.
Who
Joey
else?
Fatone.
No, Joey Fatone was so cool. He was down to earth.
Me and him were all, oh,
But wait, somebody else said, "You'll never make it far with that Brooklyn accent in Manhattan." I had a job in Manhattan.
I would have told him you're not gonna make it far with that face of yours.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta say something right back, like a dagger.
Look at Joe Corsi. Look at Judy Torres. They have accents.
Of course.
So my stupid ass back then listened to them. That's why I said, don't ever listen to people.
Right.
Don't ever listen to people.
I worked for sales, and somebody told me, I wanted to get out of that field. And someone told me, you're only going backwards in life. You're never going to make it.
Kill it, Pollock, Nick
Yeah, I was like, go mama cosito.
You know who you remind me of?
Here I am singing.
Oh my God, King of Queens.
Now,
Yeah,
I know.
yeah.
you do.
That's what I just told
Wait, you
them.
told me that.
I couldn't
Yeah.
remember the name. What was the
She
name again?
talks
Yeah.
and has like the same exact voice.
That's
as
what
the
I
girl
told
from
you,
King of
right?
Queens.
What's her
Maria,
name?
I
still
told you
can't-
that.
What's the name?
Carrie, her name is.
No, on the show, but the actress.
Oh my God,
Leah.
what's her name?
Leah Remini.
Leah
There you go.
Remini. Yep.
And she left that.
I was telling your sister, I'm like, her mannerisms, her voice. You.
But it's funny though, because if you listen to her story, they were jabbing her because of her accent,
Really?
and she didn't care. She continued, and she became successful with it because it made her unique.
Cared, like at that time, but obviously I'm older now. You think I give a shit?
right.
We have accents. I mean, sometimes when I'm talking to certain people,
Like I'm not gonna talk differently. And
she
don't
has
laugh
more.
at me.
She has more.
Because we say talk. I heard you both say talk, and that's how it is.
More
Yeah.
Brooklyn accent than I do.
Yeah.
So like when
Heavy,
I used to
very
work
heavy.
in the city, I'll be like, "Hi, this is Maria Venuto. How are you?" Like I'll talk like American and stuff.
I
Like, and
did it
I'll
on the
literally
phone.
say like, "Can I
I
have
did.
water or coffee?" Like I'll talk nice. But then
Right.
when I get mad,
Oh, it flies out.
descassare che dico non si può dire ora. But then
the
the Brooklyn
phone
comes
will
out of
ring.
me.
That's more the
phone
Sicilian
rings
comes
Sal,
out.
don't do this, Sal. Come on,
Yeah.
you're bothering me. I want water, coffee. You're
Bothering me.
Get the dog. Go get the water. But
Just be yourself. That's all I could say. Be
Yeah.
yourself.
As long as it's not illegal, right?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
yeah.
Hey, you never know. People are sick.
When I talk with my fans, I talk like this. Thank you so much for the compliment. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. And when I'm with Connie, I'm like, Con, I'm hungry. What are you gonna make me for dinner? I want some pasta.
Honestly, I don't think you should do that. Be yourself.
yeah.
It's no,
But in the
It's
work
natural.
environment,
It's
when
the
you're
image.
answering phones,
no. It's just
you
it's
can't
natural.
be like, "How you doing?"
Oh, okay.
Why not?
Can I help you?
I'm not forcing myself to talk
What's
like
up?
this. You see, like, talk.
Right.
Shut off
It's
phone.
I guess it's because I've been working when I was working for sales for 14 years.
Right.
You see, years, not years.
Years.
It's a habit. It's just like natural now. But it depends who I'm with.
Right.
You know? It
Like
depends
I
who
work
I'm
at an
talking
office,
to.
so I know he works at an office. Like it's just you have to talk a certain way because
Yeah.
you don't want to come off as ignorant or
Yeah.
whatever it is.
And now I work at a school with kids, so I talk like a kid too.
Right.
So it's like,
What's up, homie? You got that bag? You know, you gotta talk like that.
yeah. So
I don't even know what that is, but Lucas says it all the time. I have no idea what it
depends
is.
who I'm with. That my accents just start changing.
Yeah.
I don't know. I like to hear the accents. You know,
I love it. I love to
It's
hear
great.
everyone's accent.
When I talk in Italian, I talk Italian more than Sicilian. My husband talks in the Sicilian dialect, but mine is like, I don't know, it's mixed. I know certain words in Italian, I know certain words in Sicilian, so you'll hear like a mixture of both.
Yeah.
When I get mad, the Sicilian comes out.
When I used to go to visit my brother when he was out in California, all I said was hi. Not like this, like it's just normal, like, hey, hi. New York? Well, fuck yourself. How the hell do you even know? I just said one word. And they go, the follow up, that confirmed it. And I'm like, oh, fuck yourself.
Oh, God. Thank you guys for having us. This is the best.
No, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Ora devo cuccare. My
Tell me
kids
about
got
it.
school tomorrow.
well, I wanted to thank you guys for coming. It was
Thank
it was
you.
fun.
Thank you guys.
Great
Yes.
time.
You know,
This wasn't scary at all.
Us
See?
too.
This wasn't scary at all.
I think we should take this time and go upstairs and have some coffee with some talk and conversations.
Now.
You know,
With some biscottis?
some biscottis.
upstairs and have coffee. That's how I say it. Coffee.
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 My son, even at the show, he was going, Happy New Year.
Yeah.
I heard the video.
I was like,
So
"It
cute.
is."
Beyond the
Ay,
depth.
ay, ay.
Well, he's got the Brooklyn accent. But I really appreciate you guys having us here.
Oh, definitely. It was
My
great.
door is open to you guys
This was
anytime.
fun.
Yeah.
Same
Therapy,
here.
guys.
Yes, it
Have you
is.
guys over, do karaoke.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Get me a little.
You
Get me
don't
lick
want
it
to
up.
hear me singing. I tell you that.
No, but
It's just about having fun.
Yeah, we don't
fun.
Get me lick it up. I'll start singing Japanese
Lorenzo
songs. I don't care.
Homemade pizzas.
He'll
right?
sing with your dad, the Chinese song.
Just give me a list. Like, if he could just pronounce how to say them, I'll do it with him.
I'll have my father come,
Oh, yeah. We'll rock out on the guitar. I don't even know how to play.
whip out the guitar.
The guitar.
Shout to me, come
whip out the
Shot to me, contour.
I'll make sure he comes just with his apron on.
Oh my god.
But
So do the.
Oh, God.
so we're gonna end this with a nice melody. Take it away, Maria.
I'll do the accordion.
Oh, stop it! Stop it!
No.
That's dope.
She took a half to.
That's heavy, man. That's not easy.
Good night, everybody.